Hi, it's Michelle with Pink and Maine. I'm so excited. It's April 1st, 2025, and this is no April Fools. It's time to share our new subscription items for the month. I can't wait to show you what we have in store, and I just know you're going to love to get this on your doorstep. Let's go down to the table and take a look. I'll start out with our foil subscription, which is our first subscription released in the month. If you hear some tape in the background, they're actually taping up the boxes now, getting them ready for delivery. This is our foil in the foil subscription this month. This is Flowers Pink. It's a beautiful pink flower pattern. It just kind of changes and shines in different little iridescent colors, but mostly pink. This is Flowers Pink. And you can only get this right now in the foil subscription. It will be released later on in the month for individual purchase. We have some foilable panels in the subscription as well. These are exclusive to the subscription. So this is the April 2025 exclusive foilable panels, and it's some sentiments. So you foil them and then just cut them with your paper trimmer. You have 8 panels. You get 4 each of the positive and negative print there. They say, hello friend, grateful for you, spring greetings, thanks, happy Father's Day, happy Mother's Day, hey, wishing you well, and just because. So some great sentiments for spring and also any time of the year. These sentiments, again, are exclusive to the foil subscription this month. You also get a package of our foilable sheets. These are called flower motifs, and they're really pretty. This will be available later in the month for individual purchase, so it's not exclusive to the foil kit, but you do get it inside the foil kit. So we'll go through. There's 4 different patterns, so you're going to get 2 of each. I love these. You've got the negative pattern here. 2 of those. Here's the positive image. And you just cut these down to card panel size, foil, add a sentiment, and you are ready to go. They make great, beautiful cards. Look at that. It says, hello friend. We've got the negative of that one. And then this. So when I say the negative, I'll just explain really quickly. See how we have the positive and negative print. So wherever the black toner print is, that's what the foil is going to adhere to when you run it through the mini ink machine or your laminator. So on this one, the image foils. But on the negative print, the background foils and the image stays white. So you can ink blend over these. And then when you add the negative foil image to a solid toner sheet, you get different looks. So that's our foil subscription for the month. We have the exclusive sentiment panels, the flower motifs foilable sheets, and the Flowers Pink foil. Beautiful. The foil subscription is $21.99, shipped for free within the US. Let's move on to the stamp and die of the month. This is super cute. Love this set. I'm going to zoom in a little closer, give you a little closer view. This is Fun Froggies. Aren't they adorable? We've got a couple sitting on a lily pad. We have one with an umbrella and some rain boots. We've got one watering his flower garden. One is running with a daisy here, and we've got one relaxing on a mushroom. The sentiments say, happy spring, happy birthday, sorry I forgot. Isn't that cute? So this is the stamp of the month. If you get the stamp and die of the month, you'll also get the coordinating die to go along with it. The stamp of the month is $12, shipped for free within the US. The stamp and die of the month is $24 a month, shipped for free within the US. The foil subscription goes out on the 5th of the month. The stamp and die of the month go out on the 10th. And on the 15th, we have our Crafty Courtyard kit, which is our monthly kit. This month, the theme is Critters with Flowers. You get a sheet that tells you everything that's in the kit. On the back of that sheet, and I have two just because I just printed it for myself really quickly, I give you some card sketches just to kind of give you some ideas to jumpstart your creativity with the kit. Let's go through the cardstock. So you have 4 sheets of our 100-pound colored cardstock, 1 sheet of white cardstock. This is a 100-pound. When we sell our white cardstock, it's called Ice Rink. And if you buy the white cardstock individually, you get a packet of 10 sheets. It's actually our 110-pound. We put a 100-pound in the kit. We've got Streetlight Yellow, Construction Orange, Dress Shop Pink, beautiful, Riverwalk, beautiful turquoise blue, and our specialty sheet this month is a full sheet of our glitter cardstock, and it's this beautiful purple plum color, gorgeous. You're also going to get your zippered project bag in your kit. Now let's go through the other parts of the kit. We've got a confetti mix for you. This is Butterfly Dreams. This will also be available purchased individually later this month, but you can get it first in the kit. It's beautiful pastel butterflies in here with some sparkly pastel iridescent sequins mixed in. Very pretty mix, very gorgeous shaker cards, or you can glue those little butterflies and sequins right onto the front of your card as embellishment. We've got some new sticky gems for you this month. These are called the Yellows. So we've got 3 shades of yellow. We've got a nice dark, rich yellow on the right, just a mellow yellow in the middle. And on the left, we have like a lemon lime yellow. It's got a tint of like a lime green to it. Very pretty and sparkly, perfect addition to your projects and cards. You're going to get a sample pack of our Cheerful Florals pattern papers. These are 8.5 by 5.5, so they're great for making all kinds of card sizes. There are some beautiful, bright, bold, cheery patterns in this pack. You can get the full paper pack for individual purchase later in the month. The sample pack comes with all 10 patterns. You get 1 of each. Here's some beautiful flowers on a really pretty blue background. It's a nice yellow checkered pattern. Some pretty multicolored flowers. Got a nice orange pattern here. Everything complements each other and goes well together. We've got some more multicolored flowers on a green background. There's a 2-tone purple. Look at these gorgeous flowers. Oh, I can't wait to make some cards with these. We've got a nice greenery, some green leaves. With a beautiful bold stripe that goes along with all the colors in the paper pack. And then a beautiful tone-on-tone blue polka dot. Look at that with the flower ones. They're all going to look great together. So that's the Cheerful Florals sample paper pack. All right, let's take a look at our stamp set. So stinking cute. This is the Critters with Flowers. So we've got these lovely little spring characters with flowers all around them. You have a nice little banner here that the sentiments fit into perfectly. They say, "Hello friend, thinking of you, sweet greetings and best wishes." We've got a little ladybug and a little butterfly and a couple of bees, some extra little floral elements, and a little dragonfly in the corner. So that is the Critters with Flowers 6x6 stamp set. In the kit, you also get the coordinating dies, even a die to cut out that nice sentiment banner. And last but certainly not least, we're getting a nice 6x6 embossing folder. This is the swirly embossing folder. Look at that beautiful swirl design. You could use this for so much. It's going to make some beautiful embossed backgrounds for your cards. It's going to make a great addition to your craft room. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you've enjoyed taking a look at these subscriptions for April 2025. You can find these and subscribe at pinkandmane.com. And until I see you next time, my friends, keep living the creative life.